We're going to leverage the 5 C's of human intelligence. And I want you to take a look at this. If you've ever seen this before, as I'm going through it, I want you to drop in the chat one of these C's you're naturally fantastic at, and one of them you need to work on strengthening. So I want to see 2 words put from everyone in the chat. I'm going to go through them while you guys go through that. Communication. This is the art of connection. So we can talk to these models and have conversations back and forth with them. Sometimes we even treat them as our therapists, right? We're asking them questions. How do I respond to this email? How do I say this a little bit better that feels a little bit more like me? But is that AI able to sit with that coworker who's had a bad day? And is it able to have empathy back and forth, have that emotional intelligence? Of course not. Even in that synthetic emotional abilities that it can factor in, it's never going to be a substitute for us and our communication styles. I'm hearing curiosity, and maybe we have to work on creativity. That's fantastic. Critical thinking, Paul, and communication. Collaboration. What we're able to do right now, us having conversations virtually back and forth, having a team that we can work together on for a shared purpose and framework. It's never going to be replaced by AI. Curiosity. The ability to want to learn, that growth mindset. While you guys are all here today, that growth mindset, you're curious about how you can improve and make a bit more impact in the world and your own businesses. When we as humans start asking better questions, that's when humanity moves forward. Creativity, it's not just for the arts. It's the gift to imagine. If we're business owners, we're looking for new ways to do things. Do more with less, right? Turn ideas into possibilities. That's something AI is never going to be replaced. No matter how many ideas it generates, you're still the key of turning them into reality. Critical thinking. Ultimately, the most important skill, and goes back to what we said at the beginning. We are seeing that humans are wanting to bring in AI, skip this step. They're wanting to offload their thinking too soon. I'll repeat that for clarity. I see the biggest mistake people are making with using AI is they're forgetting to have critical thinking, and they outsource their thinking to AI. I don't want to be outsourced. God gave me this brain, right? So we need to continue to start first, use that critical thinking,